Hey everybody, and wanted to just give you an update on the market. A lot of things happening. I guess before I get into Jasmy, let's take a look at, of course, what the King Bitcoin is doing. And guys, I just want you to know that this is not out of the cards in terms of a correction back down to this support area of 60,000. This candle right now is looking kind of strong, like it wants to come down there, right? We've been on the edge of this Bollinger Band here for quite some time. I drew this support line here, which is right now down to 50,000. Remember this, guys. If you don't remember anything else, remember this. Again, the brokers do not want everybody to win. So if you're wondering why Bitcoin has not taken off yet, oh, it's this, it's that. Like I said, Bitcoin, new all-time high. Bitcoin ETFs launched. Um, you can think like all of the news is bullish. Everything is bullish for Bitcoin, yet Bitcoin is dropping. Polkadot, new all-time high. Solana, new all-time high. Ethereum, new all-time highs. And yet these coins are dropping. You know why? Because everybody, all of the margin traders have gone long, and these brokers know how much money they're going to have to fork out. So what's going to happen is, as long as everybody tries to go long, they're going to keep wiping out the shorts. All right, they're going to sorry, not the shorts, they're going to keep wiping out the longs. That's why it is this very abnormal behavior. You're seeing Bitcoin do something like this, right? Well, once again, from this Bollinger Band, actually, that would have told me to sell if I was looking at that. Anyway, so we come back down to the bottom of this Bollinger Band. That takes us down to 63,000. Let's hope it stays there. But like I said, this is, none of this stuff is out of the cards, really. Um, let's hope that our support line holds right here. The overall goal with Bitcoin, guys, and cryptocurrency is going to go up. So there's really no need to panic sell. There's absolutely no need to panic sell, right? You should not be panic selling. You can hold. That's it at the end of the day. But anyway, look at some other ones, and because Bitcoin is dropping, naturally you will see some other things happening. Here's Jasmy. So again, we're falling down. We're in between this support and resistance area. Well, as we can see, the breakout level from here was around 12 cents. And, in some of my earliest videos, this is exactly what I was talking about it going up to 25 to 27 cents. Maybe we come back down to this breakout level of 14 cents and then maybe head back up. For a while there, I wasn't really sure if it was going to play out. But over time, look at what's happening, right? It looks like we're coming right back down to where this breakout happened, which is between 13 to 14 cents, between 12 and 14 cents. So if you're a Jasmy holder, a Jasmy investor, every dip is for a buy. Dips are for buying. Overall, remember, long term with Jasmy, please look at this. Loads and loads of upside. All-time high for Jasmy on the charts that I can see is $3, guys. And right now, Jasmy is at 16.5 cents. So that is almost 20x away right now. Almost 20x away. So treat those dips for buying. I know the ASM army wants to know what's going on as well. Let's take a look at this. All right, so similarly, really, because this is what's happening with Bitcoin, a lot of times, many of the other coins will do the same thing. I do see ASM right now is still holding some sideways consolidation, though, between 18 cents and call it 14.5 cents. So could be showing some signs of strength there if we just continue with sideways movement. But we'll have to see how this plays out. I mean, right now, understand that most coins will be following Bitcoin if Bitcoin is dropping. Most altcoins will drop as well. You'll have a few outliers, so to speak, but most will follow, right? However, the overall sentiment for this space, guys. I mean, there's only one way that this place goes. It has to be up. I mean, you know. So that's that. Someone asked me about Monetha. Can Monetha still make a run? And Monetha's been a bit quiet. Obviously, after we actually reached all the way up here, we dropped. Where were we? 146. Dropped about 60%. Man, too bad we missed this candle. I mean, look at that. But what I see Monetha doing is forming a huge, massive cup. That's what I see Monetha actually doing over time. As we can see here, this is at a pretty important level of support. If Monetha breaks below 49, that's not good. Not for the immediate short term, right? Do I think Monetha will eventually rise back up here and go beyond? Yes, I do. So it all depends on whether or not you're a trader or investor. If you're in it for the long term, treat the dips for buying. Accumulate more. It will have its time. It's just a fact. It will have its time. But if you're a short-term trader, then obviously you'll have certain points where you say, okay, I don't want to be stuck in this trade for months. So if it goes beyond this point, I'm going to come out of the trade, right? So that's what you're looking for, if that be the case. Can we see what's happening with Vite? So again, Vite has continued to look strong. I mean, I talked about Vite, I think, when it was around somewhere between 11 and 12 cents. Anyway, and despite all of this Bitcoin behavior, as you can see, Vite is still actually making a move up, still climbing upwards, right? The next resistance point, the real resistance point I had marked out here was about 19 cents. So look out for that. We talked about that in my Vite video quite some time ago. Let's see what is happening with Shiba Inu. Okay. So I see a strong resistance. I mean, it almost feels like we have to come down and check in at around 4,000. And, we're talking about USD here, 4 decimal places beyond and then 4,000. Seems like we need to touch there to me. But we'll see exactly what happens. Maybe if there's one capitulation that could send Shiba Inu down here and then it'll probably quickly recover. So look out for that as well. All right, guys. So that's my update for today on those particular coins. Going to do another update a little bit later on with what's going on with Fetch and a few other coins. Okay. Take care, guys.